Here I've got HUAWEI Y6P, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first let's open the phone dialer, and let me start with the first one, the shortest one, which is *# 06#. And as you can see, this one will show you both email numbers assigned to this HUAWEI and also the serial number. So tap on OK to go back, and let me go to the second code, which is *# 225 ###. And as you can see here, you've got the calendar info, so you'll be able to check all the events that you have saved in your calendar, all the celebrations, important dates. So from now on, you will not forget about any important event, about any important date or meeting. So let me go back. That would be all for the first one, for the second code, sorry, and it's time for the third one. So it is *# 0000 #*#. And as you can see, you've just reached about phone details. So here you've got model, build number, hardware version, email numbers, and also MSPL versions. So let me go back. That would be all for this one. And the last code, also the longest one and most useful, is *# 28 46 579 #*#. And now you're in project menu, and here you can check background settings. So let me click on it. And here we've got background debug, USB port settings, and also AP log settings. Then you've got veneer informations, so you can check version info, manufacturer info, and also some other details. Let me show you, for example, other details. So here you've got serial number, also run mode. Then under manufacturer info, you've got really advanced details like ISBN and version info. So here you've got the bootloader version, kernel version, and so on. Now under network information query, you will be able to check symlog info, PLMN info, fuse info, and also vendor country info. So you can click on it, and as you can see, here you've got details. So let me go back. Then you can also click on software upgrade, and here you can upgrade memory card or standalone upgrade. You can also perform a factory reset here. Just click on it and then activate it, but I will not do it this way. And also you can check the battery charge. So just click on it, and here you've got the current battery level, the temperature. You can also scan the QR code and then come along with some further details. So that's basically all. These are all secret codes that you can use on your HUAWEI Y6P. Enjoy and use them as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.